Hey, what's surprise? It's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best. In this video we've got Laresar L6 Pro vacuum cleaner. This is the robotic vacuum cleaner. Smart, as you can see. Art of smart clean. The one thing that I just fail to understand is, why do these people use such big names? If you see that at the top, I don't know if it's visible. Shipped from in Shenzhen, China. Nothing against them, it's just that this is very encrypted and quite hard to sort of read. Like shipped to Amazon Fulfillment Centre, quite simple, Delview, Yorkshire, Doncaster. Yeah, what I was trying to say is, what's this? It's quite, but it's fine. I mean, if that's how they want to do business, is that their own personal opinion. But yeah, this is made in China as well, as always. Most of the products are made in China. This one's no exception. And it is a smart robotic vacuum cleaner. And they always make, the guys in China make really good products. It's just that some of the products are like very poor quality. Others, the ones that are included with branding, or like they've got sponsorship from brands, that they are like a lot more finished products. Rightly so, because they've got funding money to sort of support the work. But yeah, anyway, so this is basically the carton that's come to my address. So I'm going to start to unbox it. Just trying to see how easy or hard it is to unbox this. This is quite heavy. Let's just roll up my sleeves and turn this around on the, probably from the top. I think that should be a good place to sort of get it out. Okay, so let's make a start. Cut it from maybe different sides. Hopefully we get another box inside. And not much of a hassle there. Looks fairly standard. Okay, so the box has been opened, thankfully. And I'm going to just turn this around towards myself, just to make sure I have, yeah, so there, as I suspected, there's the big box inside that I have to sort of pull it out. Give it a second, and I'll get from the other side. And, oh god, it's all, can you believe that? It's broken. It's gone off. I don't know if you can see. But this one's sort of come loose, so I have to find another way to get it out. Right, so after a little bit of a hassle, I have almost managed to get it out. Or have I? Very tightly placed inside that cotton. That was very difficult. But yeah, there we have it. That's the box here. And then just get the camera back aligned at where it was. Must be a bit darker now. I'm going to just get it set up properly. 1 second. Should be nice and visible. Okay, so this is the robotic vacuum cleaner. I should probably take you to this picture here. Should be better. Just have a look. So Laresar, or Laresar, whatever they call it, how they pronounce it. Robotic vacuum cleaner. It's self-emptying clean base, L6 Pro, and vacuum cleaner 3500 PA. This is the base, and it's got about 2.5 litre capacity, or I don't know. But yeah, this is the L6 Pro model, and you might argue 3500 is not enough suction power, but this is what it is. L6 Pro. They'll probably look at others like Ecovacs, and others have got better suction power, like 4300 I think. That one's got, but it doesn't have that the container at the top to sort of empty the rubbish, etc. But we'll look at that. I've got another video coming up very soon. But just looking into this, Laresar self-emptying, powerful suction, high precision, 24 sensors covered, packing list, L6 Pro robot vacuum cleaner, 2-in-1 water tank, roller brush, mop cloth support, 10 disposable mop cloths, okay, 1 user manual, dust collection base, side brushes, HEPA filters, mop cloth, dust bags, and a quick guide. So I don't think there's much else mentioned on the box. Let's quickly have a look at the other side. Yep, so there's some spec. Might be worth looking at. So the spec model L6 Pro, 50-watt power, great, quite low consumption. Input 24 volts, 1.2 amps, battery 14.4 volts, lithium ion, good. Self-charging base LSO3, 950 watts mated power, which is very high. In fact, dust collection is quite high. I'm assuming it will be quite loud whilst the emptying is happening. Input is 120 volts, output 24 volts, FCC-ID, contact information, support 09 at laresar.us. Alright, so nothing other than that, some certifications as usual. So I'm going to quickly just open it from here, and hopefully should be by hand. Yep, not a problem. Okay, have to just pull it a little bit more. Hope we're still live. Okay, so there we have it. So it says at first on the box, it says scan with your phone for after-sale mailbox, app download, and operational videos. Okay, we're going to do that later on. This is just an unboxing for now. So let's go for the unboxing really. So as you can see in the box, I'm just going to probably just put this up a little bit more, my stand. But yeah, so in the box you've got this mop on the side, or the mop module, whatever that is. Let's open that up. Come off. Yep. Okay, so you've got this mop module that connects directly, and you can obviously swap the mops from the top, or no, from the bottom. You just take this out either side, and you can just swap it from the bottom. Yeah, it's just a simple process. So I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to keep it back on. Don't want to sort of spend time to sort of fix certain things, which I know it's just the way mops really work with the robotic vacuum cleaners, and as I understand, it's not really effective mopping on these vacuum cleaners. Okay, so I've probably lost it there. Gonna have to get it back on. There we are. Okay, so that's all done. So let's keep it on to the side. And then we've got some documentation. Oh boy, this is such a big book. This will take me ages to read. User manual. All that information, dust collection and all that stuff. Quick start guide. Warranty card. Warranty is 2 years, is it? Registered within 7 days, 2 years warranty. Yep, that's correct. And let's just keep it on to the side as well. So on the inside, let's open. Get rid of this cover. So on the inside, you've got the space. Let's first take the vacuum it first, because we are very keen to sort of look at it. So there you have it. The brush is at the top, so I've got a little hole for that. And what is this? Something for the side, just for protection, I think. But as you can see, you've got the base, you've got the bristles, rubber for perhaps for the hair collection, and just for the protection, so you don't get tangled in hair. Apparently, if you've got like if you've got women in the house, you'll probably see hair, and if you've got animals in the house, you'd see hair as well. So this is good for that. Obviously, men also sort of have hair, but normally you probably see that much in the house. So yeah, so the brush here looks like it does a good job. Sort of controlled also. You can't just turning it around. You've got the main unit. So you've got power button, home. These sides are like fitted at the moment with these little rubber things, and it's got all these different sensors on each of the sides, also some cameras, I believe, just to sort of make sure the path is correct. And it all works. It's a bit maybe it's just meant to be like that. It felt as if it was just a bit wobbly. Maybe not. And I'll just keep this thing to the side. This rotating. It's quite heavy, in fact. This is like the heavier part, I suppose, of this box. Keep this thing in. And the other bit is the other module. And I can get it out. Okay, that's it. And I'll just keep it on to the side. And there's some replacements, I suppose. And there's this mopping brush or something. Just leave it as is. I'm just gonna get rid of the box for now. So we've got some space. And yeah, so there's the container, some charger. Let's get out of the bag. So I can already see some. Oh no, sorry. I was thinking there were some scratches, but probably not. And this is the lid. On the inside, you get some bags. Is what I think it is. Yeah, it's a collection bag, so I'll just leave it as is. You probably need to get rid of this. Oh yeah, there we are. So, collection bag just needs to probably go in, and it's pretty good. I'm sort of starting to get impressed by the build quality and things we're getting. It's just the suction capacity that bothers me a little bit, because 3500 might not be enough. Okay, so the cable here, brand new, obviously, not used, I'm pretty sure. So let's get rid of the bag for now. And there we are. So the bag's gone onto the side, the dust collection bag here. And when you keep it like this, perhaps like this, and how does it charge? It probably latches on something. I'm just trying to see how these little points here, these 2 points, that's the connection really. That connects over here to these 2 points, 1 and 2. It latches on and then it starts to charge, and the connection happens from here. There's a rubber surface over here, which basically would make sure that it's clean. That's what I'm just thinking. And as it moves, I might just sort of latch on. Just trying to make the connection now. Perhaps like this. And there's some. Yep, so there's some sort of connection. So it basically sits flush like that on the ground. The collection bag collects all the rubbish, so you can just literally pick up the bag and throw it in the bin. And yeah, there's also some button. I think I can feel some. Yeah, I can feel the tactile at the top. Might be a button or whatever, but there's this power button. If I press it, probably not charged, so it needs to be connected to the dock first. The dock needs to be connected to the mains, and then we probably, oh, it's turned on. Interesting, it's turned on, so maybe there is a bit of charge.
The vacuum mop has started.
Oh, the vacuum mop already started. Interesting. So it's turned on already, but this sound was quite loud, and it was not so great. Like a radio, someone talking on the radio signal, in fact. But yeah, so I sort of have to sort of get this one installed and then sort of start to test. What's here? No, nothing. Okay. Yeah, so we'll have to probably test it out and see how this works, you know, like on a daily basis, how this works, and does it really do the job as expected, or are there any issues or any concerns or anything that hamper the usage in general? It's meant to be used on hard surfaces as well as carpets, and also has got the mopping functionality, so I'm going to be testing that quite a lot as some time progresses. But so far so good, I suppose. We'll probably see how things are. The build quality looks fine. It's all plastic though, ABS plastic. This is some glass at the top or something. But oh yeah, it's all plastic. It's just the internals, the smart capabilities and other things that sell. So well, we'll have to sort of test it out. There's some troubleshooting information for recharge failure and things. So yeah, we need to sort of test it out and see how things go. If you've got any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to my next best. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in my next best. And hopefully I'll have read this big document. Probably going to take me a while. All right, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.